Top 10 apps. Let's see. Come on. Play. Number 7. Really good. Let's see. Twitter, number 10. I don't know. Telegram. Number 9. Loading. Floor night. Always number floor. Everybody knows. Telephone. Megaphone. Gianluigi Buffon. Number 3. TikTok. The candies, number 1. Of course. XXX. Let's see. Message. Hello, how are you? I am bad. Number 8. Let's see. Ghost. And number 5 is Instagram, of course.